Hello dear readers and subscribers. Today I'm very pleased to present a brand new exhibition presented by CAI, showcasing 9 new paintings by Makino. Her first solo exhibition in Belgium, Out of Focus, showcases 9 intimate, small-scale indigo dye paintings on panel. Makino is one of the most exciting and promising artists working within this niche of minimal paintings and monochrome paintings, and I'm very pleased to have been working with her since 2022. Throughout this video we're going to discuss why she is one of the artists to watch right now, encompassing some installation views, some individual works, and feel free to visit the exhibition online as well on our website. I'll leave a link in the description below and in the pinned comment where you can find the press release, all the exhibition views, and also can browse some of the available works for this show. One of the best things due to this very small and intimate scale, and also the process and the price point of the artist, is that perhaps most people watching this video will be able to acquire one of these special pieces. So without further ado, let's have a look at the show. Out of Focus is a solo exhibition by the Japanese artist Makino, born in 1980 in Kanagawa in Japan, based in Tokyo. Makino is known for her indigo blue paintings, monochromes, using traditional Gofun shell-lime gesso to create her characteristic reliefs and textures in her surface. Makino aims to capture and preserve the experience of witnessing scenes from the past, triggered by non-voluntary awareness of sensations. Think of the quietness of the night or the sound of rain. And Out of Focus, Makino brings this fascinating concept to life in her characteristic indigo blue paintings. She uses a single dye to achieve a range of indigo blue hues, working on wooden panels with a traditional gesso made of gofun, also known as shell-lime. By doing so, the Japanese artist is able to create subtle textures and reliefs before soaking the panels with an intense dye. The indigo does not sit on top of the surface, it penetrates the support, parallel to how the mind is penetrated and altered in an act of remembrance. Characteristically, this show consists of 9 paintings on panel that are very humble in scale, yet they exude a mysterious presence that fills the entire space. 4 vertically oriented paintings measuring just 18 by 14 centimeters or 7 by 5 inches from her ongoing Night series create a sequence of blue shimmers, glints of memories of the night. Night turns into midnight in her new and eponymous series of square panels measuring 30 by 30 centimeters or 12 by 12 inches, marked by using 2 of her most intense dark indigo hues. The edge separating the hues creates a characteristic horizontal band, as if a horizon, summoning an atmospheric quality similar to her Night series. A third characteristic, in which Makino raises the shape on a flat surface using Gofun gesso to give it relief, can be found in 2 textured panels measuring once more 18 by 14 centimeters or 7 by 5 inches, with vertical strips rolling down the plane of the canvas. As a result, we're more than thrilled to present these 9 paintings, and if you're interested in more information about them, do not hesitate to contact us or simply browse on our website, the exhibition page and the overview page with available works by Makino. Thank you so much for tuning in today. Feel free to watch our video on 5 other artists who are heating up in the art world right now, next. Support us on Patreon and please consider subscribing to stay posted for more contemporary art. Bye.